So, today we'll talk about 20 ideas to make money online. And you just go through these 20 ideas and find out which one is work for you. So, first is blogging. As we know, if you are passionate closet writer who wants to be published but can't find a way to do so, then you should do blogging. You should try to start blogging. So, first is blogging. Second is paid writing. If maintaining a blog is difficult for you, but you still want to still passionate about writing, you you can do paid writings. And if you have a strong command over languages, you can become a copy editor, where webmasters will pay you to read articles and correct grammatical errors, sentence fragments, etc. E-tuitions and webinars. The demand of tutors is high and growing. So if you like helping others learn, e-teaching could be the earning tickets for you. College and university students are willing to pay to gain entry to a well-respected webinar. So you can start e-tuitions and webinars. Fourth, affiliate and reseller. As we know, who have the knack of selling, one of the best ways to make money online is to become an affiliate. An affiliate is a person who gets a commission for selling every product that he promotes, whether on his website or through any other avenue such as eBay. So you can start affiliate marketing. Buying and selling domains. Buying and selling domains names is another way to make money from home and requires very little investment or time. So you can buy domains at their registration prices or even cheaper and trade them at a profit. Freelancing for professionals. Freelancing is a great option for professionals who are experts in their respective trade, know how to ensure customer satisfaction. Next, advertising. You can sell space on your website, blog, or advertisements. So, advertising is a good option. GPT program, GPT or Get Paid to sites are becoming increasingly popular among teens. Get Paid for signing up for free websites, newsletter, playing games, and filling out an online service. These are suitable for people who don't have to skill but want to earn extra money. So GPT program is one of the option for you. Online marketing. Online marketing, once a website is created and optimized for search engine, the search engine marketing begins. So online marketing is one of the good option for you. Making themes as more and more people seek an online presence, the demand for website templates and WordPress themes so will keep increasing. If you are good at web designing and coding, you can earn a lot from designing. Selling photos. Selling photos, if you enjoy photography and you are good with a camera, you could be sitting on a huge reserve or revenue. They are people who will be interested in your collection of image. Nowadays it's easy to take your photos to the to public, providing a convenient way to build a secondary income stream. Next, support and service. Providing coding or fixing other webmaster issues is another great way to earn extra bucks. Stock forex trading. Joining the stock forex marketing may seem a bit risky. However, you can start small and continue researching till you gain experience in this area. Once you do, it will be easy to earn from exchanging foreign currencies and your stock. Selling your own hand. Selling your own brand. If you have a flair or designing cool images, don't bother about creating your own inventory. As long as your design can be printed on a product, you can pocket some money. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants. Small businesses always need help in running their process but may not be willing to hire a full-time employee. Next, so inbound call center. Many companies who are facing space, especially those in metro cities, prefer to hire workers outside their offices or outsource certain processes. You can set up an inbound call center at home to handle such jobs. Next, YouTube. Is there is dramatic performer hidden inside you? You crave applause, and Adelson, upload yourself on YouTube. You can be a filmmaker, musician, comedian who wants a wider audience. Your earning will come from ads display on your video pages. Search for opportunities in organization that provide funding. Next, building applications. With smartphone gaining popularity, the demand of their applications or apps as they as popular. So there are over 3 million apps for this iPhone and over a million apps in Google's Android markets. And next, transcriptions. So there are 20 options for making money online. If you like it this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.